In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add docs in Clickup. Clickup is an all-in-one productivity tool that helps teams and individuals stay organized, manage projects, and collaborate seamlessly. One of its powerful features is the ability to create and manage documents directly within your workspace. Whether you're drafting a project plan, writing meeting notes, or brainstorming ideas, this feature is designed to keep everything in one place. So, let's dive in and walk through step-by-step how you can add docs to your Clickup workspace effortlessly. First things first, open your Clickup workspace. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, it's time to find the specific project where you want to add your document. Navigate through your workspace and locate the project that you want to work within. When you see it, click on the project to open it up. Now that you're inside the project, look toward the top of the project view. You'll see a button labeled View. This is where you can access different ways to interact with your project. Go ahead and click on the View button. A drop-down menu will appear, and from here, select the option that says Doc. This will allow you to create a brand new document. At this point, you'll be prompted to give your document a title. Choose a title that makes sense for the content you're about to create, something clear and descriptive. Once you've entered the title, you're ready to start building your document. Clickup makes it easy to create content, and you have a couple of options here. If you want to save time or need inspiration, you can use Clickup's integrated AI feature. Simply type a request into the document and the AI will generate content for you. For example, you could ask it to create an outline, draft text, or even come up with ideas. If you prefer a ready-made structure, you can also choose a pre-made template. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a list of templates to choose from. Select one that fits your needs, and it will load into your document. From here, it's time to make the document your own. Edit the content by adding your specific details, adjusting the text, or modifying the template as needed. This is where you can fine-tune everything to suit your project's goals and requirements. Finally, once you've completed your edits and are happy with the document, don't forget to save your changes. Saving ensures that all your hard work is preserved and accessible to your team members. And there you go. That's how you add docs in Clickup. If you're new to Clickup, be sure to check out the link in the description to create your account and explore all the features this platform has to offer. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.